little town is a place worth visiting regardless of where on the island you're located. Costa Teguise, on the coast, is the place where all the hotels and resorts are, many at least. Teguise, the town, the little village, is a little bit higher up and probably the most original old town, or one of the best tourist attractions, because it still boasts some old buildings, nice little streets, and I'll give you some impressions now. This little town here is certainly worth visiting. Hola, buenas tardes. ¿Cómo se llama?
Tito.
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 Ah, muy vigilante. Ah, bueno, buenas tardes, gracias.
Bueno, amigo.
There's also a castle up on a hill. I'll see whether I can approach it with my drone. Hang on. Diese Burg war natürlich nützlich und wichtig, weil unten Teguise, der Ort, die Hauptstadt dieser Insel hier war. Now walking up to the castle above Teguise. Teguise was after all the former capital of Lanzarote, and this castle here was built in the 17th century mainly and sits on top of a volcano, which is interesting. Now down there you see Teguise. On Sundays there's a big market down in Teguise. I will not show you images of that. After all, there's so many market videos. Very windy, unfortunately.